Hi, this is Brett Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape. I want to give you some tips on winterizing your lawnmower if you haven't done it already, because it can actually help you next season firing it up without any problems and just maintaining it well. So first thing you'll want to do is get some fuel stabilizer that treats ethanol and is formulated for gasoline with ethanol in it. And what you do is you stick it, pour a little bit in according to the directions, fire it up, let the machine run for about 5 to 10 minutes to work that gas through. And this time of year here, even in February, it's not too late to do that, and you still got time to get it done. So I would if you haven't done that. Next couple things, smaller things that you can do is check the air filter. This one on this mower is right here. It's pretty dirty. I might be changing this later. Got a new one that I'll slap on there. It's not hard at all. I have already changed the oil on this. That's something you can do usually once a year. Is pretty good. If you've got a small yard, you might be able to get 2 years out of the oil change, but once a year is pretty standard. Now, last thing that you'll want to do, this is a good time of year to do it, is sharpen the mower blade. And I'll show you how to take the mower blade off and get it sharpened. First thing is you want to tilt it on its side, make sure that you have the air filter up. If you don't, sometimes gas can pour out of there. Now on most lawnmowers like this, you can find a place to put a block in here like this. It'll stop the blade from turning. And comes off pretty simple. You can take the lawnmower blade to most a lot of hardware stores or anywhere that sells lawnmowers. Like lawn supply stores. One that I'm thinking of would be Smitty's. They're in Olathe. Anyways, this blade is kind of dull. Definitely needs to be sharpened, so I'll do that. Put it back on. For an average size yard, roughly 10,000 square feet or less, you can probably get about half of a season from a sharpened blade. So midway through the season, give it a sharpen, and you'll be good for the rest of the year. I'll sharpen this up and put it back on the same way I took it off with this block of wood. And after that, I'm done. Oh, I'm sorry, one last thing that you can do while you've got this tilted back here like this. This mower is fairly clean, but if you've got a lot of grass caked up underneath here, now is a great time to scrape all that off. That'll actually give, if you've got a bagger, it'll help it bag the grass, or if you're mulching the grass, it'll actually help chop those pieces up without clumping. And that's it. If you have any questions or if you'd like some help, please feel free to give us a call. Thanks so much.